So I got all the Arduinos wired in, got the dual MAMPs hooked up, I've upgraded to the 48 volt power supply. So in theory now, if I apply power to the motor, I have it now ramping. So it will actually ramp up the speed from start to its position and then stop and then do it again. You can hear the power supply ramping up and down. It's using variable current. So how am I doing this? Well, what we're going to do is we're going to move on over to the scope here. I'm going to start the robot up again. And you'll watch once it reaches position, it goes off, and then they ramp up, and then it goes off, and then it ramps up. What it's actually doing during this time is it's varying the time in which it's firing the cycles, so basically the frequency, and then it's also varying the PWM, or the power output, to the motor. So it starts out with very small PWM, so little tiny pulses of power, going very slowly to get it up to speed. And I'm keeping track of how many cycles the motor's done. And each revolution, I ramp that up to go up to its acceleration, and once it reaches full speed, I run it at that speed. The motor still sounds a little jerky, and that's just because the Arduino isn't fast enough. I'm running with a 7 millisecond delay between motor firings, and I have to keep track of the encoder pulses coming in. I think there's 20,000 encoder ticks per revolution. So I'm keeping track of all those interrupts, and I'm just running out of headroom on the Arduino, so I gotta make my code much more efficient. But it is working, so much more to come. Thanks for watching.